The WHO does like a lot of different things, which makes it hard to explain in a pithy way. It supports global vaccination programs against things like polio. It
Mm.
was why there's no smallpox in the world today, eradicated that disease. And it also is the platform in which health ministries and scientists and groups from around the world can like cooperate and coordinate with each other on research as well and set standards
Hmm.
for what medicines should be set for what diseases, what makes sense. It really is like a lot of research. But to me, I think the most fundamental thing that the World Health Organization does is support the strengthening of health systems in poorer countries. So you have like the WHO, which itself has like a small footprint, but it works with national governments in, say, I don't
Hmm.
know, I'm picking Liberia, a country where like a lot of the health workforce was killed in the Ebola outbreak. And so it's like retraining, rebuilding that health force, establishing surveillance systems for diseases that might be emerged, but then
Hmm.
doing things like helping the government of Liberia set up mobile payment platforms to pay their doctors and nurses, right? This maybe is not like immediately apparent to the United States, but like why it would help me sitting in Denver. But let's be
Hmm.
honest, like in today's world, a disease cannot be contained anywhere else. You want to have strong health systems in
Hmm.
far-flung parts of the world so that diseases that might emerge there can be contained there before they become the next Ebola, before they become the next COVID. And like, look, right now, look at bird flu, right? It's the reason our eggs are really expensive here in the United States.
Hmm.
2 weeks before Trump's inauguration, the first human in the United States died of bird flu. This guy in Louisiana who had like a backyard chicken flock. Well, the World Health Organization is the entity that does like the global monitoring and surveillance of instances and circumstances in which people are dying from bird flu. Furthermore, it's set up a platform for drug companies to create a vaccine that might be rapidly rolled out should human to human transmission of bird flu transpire. Meanwhile, you have this Trump order that not only defunds the World Health Organization, but prevents CDC from even talking to the World Health Organization at this point. They're not allowed to be on the same like Zoom call. It's nuts.